If you're looking for the easiest way to get organic food sent to your house, in this video, I'm going to share with you some food items that I actually subscribe to on Amazon, and these actually get sent to me on a regular basis. I don't even have to remember to order them. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of meal prep tips and tricks. So in this video today, let's unbox my recent subscription package that came to me today. Now, a lot of these items I subscribe to, and I get them on a different schedule sometimes, but today I actually had them delivered in this one box. So let's dive in. So I've shared these in another video, but my kids love these Go Macro Kids macro bars. I actually get these in several different flavors. This is the peanut butter cup. This is the double chocolate brownie. And this is the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. And this is the chocolate chip cookie dough. So I think I subscribe to about 6 boxes of these. We eat these a lot, and actually I love that they're vegan. They're made with organic ingredients. And if you're looking actually for an inexpensive way to have a protein bar, the Go Macro Kids version I've found is actually less expensive than their mini bars. For some reason, the kids ones are just less expensive. They actually have a nice little drizzle of chocolate on top, and they're really great. They are packed with protein. This one has 4 grams of protein per bar. They also have iron, calcium, potassium, and the ingredients are really good. So having these sent to my house just takes the stress out of having to remember to order them. So I do have these sent monthly, but sometimes I run out of them sooner. So I can actually speed up my order and get them sooner. And the great thing is actually a lot of these items, when you subscribe, you actually get a discount. So I get these for a really great price because I subscribe. Look how many we get. But we eat these like every day, and sometimes my kids will eat 2 a day. Okay, so another thing that we use regularly here is this Garden of Life Organic Vitamin D3 spray. This is 1000 IU per spray. So this has been a really great supplement. If you've ever had like your blood work tested, I have, and I have really great vitamin D levels. And I go outside a lot in the sun, but I also take this D3 spray, and I found it to be really great. So everyone pretty much takes this in my house. So I do subscribe to make sure that I don't run out. I can't remember how often. I think I get this maybe every 3 months. All right, and this Anthony's Organic Carob Powder, I've shared this in other videos, but this is so good. This I actually combine with some organic cacao powder every morning for my morning cup, and sometimes I'll even put a little bit of organic instant coffee in there too by the same brand. But this is really packed with nutrition. The reason why I get this actually has some vitamin D in it, and it also has calcium, iron. Look how much iron is in one serving. 35% of the recommended daily value in 1 tablespoon. So I'll put basically like 1 tablespoon in my morning cup, and this is just so good. This is a great chocolate substitute too if you don't want any caffeine. There's no caffeine in this, and it's just a really great price. So definitely check out the links in the description below of this video so you can purchase these yourself. And I highly recommend, if you use these often, just subscribe, because I didn't have to remember to order these. Okay, another great option, especially from Anthony's brand, is this organic flaxseed meal. We add this a lot of times to our baking. Flax seeds are packed with a lot of nutrition, especially omega-3s, and they also have calcium, iron, and potassium, and even protein. So I do use this as a really great egg substitute in a lot of my baking, and I've shared that in other videos, but this is a really great one because it's already mealed. I know some people say not to buy it mealed, but honestly, if I don't buy it like that, I probably won't use it in baking because it's like another step. But this is an ultra fine powder, and it's cold milled, and it's USDA organic. Now, another thing that we go through pretty often is organic extra virgin olive oil. I really like this Madhava brand. I've just found this to be a really good quality. I like that it's not in a clear bottle. It's USDA organic. It even has the Purity Award, and it's tested for 130 contaminants, so it's Clean Label Project certified. And I like to get organic extra virgin olive oil, and that just means that this is the first pressing of the olives. All right, well, thanks for unboxing with me my Amazon subscription grocery haul this month. And please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for even more organic food deals and everything that I love sharing what I get on Amazon, because I am a stay-at-home mom and getting to the grocery store is very difficult for me these days, and Amazon just makes it so easy. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.